Hello guys, this is my Arduino Atmel chip programmer. What I basically have here is those three white cables here are the data cables. This brown cable here is the reset cable, it goes to pin 10, the data cables to 11, 12 and 13. And then I have three status LEDs here. The yellow one shows the heartbeat, so it basically shows that the programmer is running. And the red LED is blinking if there's an error. The green LED is blinking if it's programming. And of course, I've connected this to 5 volts and built the circuit. What you need to make sure, if you have the Arduino Uno board at least, that there's a capacitor here connected to reset and grounding. Of course, the grounding should be the minus here. As you can see there, it's a bit hard to see. There's this white stripe here. This should be on the grounding. And I have 22 microfarads here, but you should use something like 10 microfarads, but higher will work too. This basically just disables the auto reset function of the Arduino Uno. And then, well, let's just plug it in. You will see it has some kind of boot animation here. And now you see the heartbeat. It's actually flashing like fading if it's idle. And yeah, let's just flash something to the chip. You need to make sure that in the Arduino program you go to Tools, Board and select the ATtiny. I mean the one you want to program. I have the ATtiny 45 here. And in the programmer you select Arduino as ISP. And then you just burn the bootloader first. And then you burn the program. Right now the Blink program, this is like Hello World for embedded programming, and it just blinks every second now. Let's burn this. Actually, the arrow light was just flashing, I think. That's because there's a warning about some configuration missing. You can ignore that if there's a warning like please define page element BS2 signals in the configuration file. It will still work. And now I should be able to connect an LED here. Oh, hold on. And exactly, it blinks. Now, of course, you can change the delay from 1000 microseconds to 100 microseconds and then re-upload. And now it blinks faster, as you can see. I can also change the pin from 0 to... This is actually the first pin here is pin 0, 1, 2. And yeah, the other is just the plus pole. And now I can reflash this, re-upload. Now it doesn't blink anymore because it changed the pin to 1, of course. And now I just need to make sure that this is connected to the right pin and to the grounding. And now it blinks again. Let me turn off the light here, then that you can see better. And I can even basically it's just because I'm touching these cables, I'm connecting something here. And I can just disconnect the data cables basically. Hold on. Shouldn't do it that actually, it destroys pretty much here. But let me take those away for a second. Okay, as you can see, now there's nothing connected here but the power cables here. So the Arduino is just powering the microcontroller, and the microcontroller itself is blinking the LED. You can do much more with that. You can just program it with the Arduino language. There's actually a link to Arduino ISP in the description, and you just download that, you flash it to your Arduino. You really need to make sure that you flash the Arduino ISP to your Arduino here, because you don't flash it to the microcontroller. And then you just do what I did basically and flash it to your microcontroller. And that's it.